Okay, what we have here today is two current model Suzuki V-Stroms DL650s. I'm going to test ride both of these bikes and establish the noise levels in these engines. This white one is mine. I believe it has an abnormal engine knock, but we'll take both for a ride. Okay, here I am testing the Fox Orange V-Strom for noise. I fitted the camera to the bike as there was too much wind noise attached to my leg. Camera is now fitted to the white V-Strom, my brand new V-Strom. Just going to check out the noise. Well, that's the end of test on the white V-Strom. Just removing the camera. This is the bike that I bought brand new. It has a knocking noise. In case the Suzuki service manager can't hear me read out the number plate, there it is. The Suzuki service manager, Queensland service manager, prepared a report on behalf of Sun State Suzuki on this bike, and that report concluded that the noises in this bike were not abnormal. They were the same as every other bike tested, this model. The purpose of this report was to help Sun State Motorcycles with the Office of Fair Trading call off a request for a refund on this bike. This was successful. The Office of Fair Trading say I now have to take civil action to prove the noise and have tests done on the bike. Looks like this is what we have to do. I'm unhappy with this bike. As a mechanic, I can hear every abnormal noise in any engine, and this certainly has a beauty from brand new. I want my money back. Sun State Suzuki.